Let's dive into Chronicle 2.4, which brings you better tools for name normalization and performance enhancements to help speed up workflows. First up, multiple Chronicle agents can now handle name normalization. This means faster processing on the biggest projects, with even more gains when you add additional agents. Chronicle 2.4 optimizes the throughput for name normalization projects, so expect faster performance immediately. No new agents required. Learn more about these throughput enhancements via the link in the description. Chronicle 2.4 also lets review teams track attorney designations, titles, and organizations. This new function allows you to set or edit attorney designations directly in Chronicle. 4 built-in attorney designation options further streamline workflows and establish consistent labeling. Need to export participant logs? Quickly deliver a list of the unique normalized names straight from Chronicle's Manage Normalizations tab. One click exports a complete participant list with all optional details. You can also import, export, sort, and filter these details quickly with added validation for error-free imports. No more tedious manual data checks. Chronicle 2.4 brings faster name normalization, increased throughput, and smoother privilege log workflows. Make it like you like it and update today to see these improvements in action.